Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Appliances by Masood. Today I'm going to show you about Kenwood blenders, different type of blenders, different watts, different jar size, different mill. Benefit for having a sticky feeds for the blender, it will be stable on the platform. It won't shake. This is Kenwood blender with 2-liter jar, 1.5-liter working capacity, and it has 2 speed with pulse option to crush the ice. And it comes with a small grinder mill for spices, nuts, coffee. Model number is BLP10EO. So whenever you use a blender, you must keep like this, and if it is not locked, it won't work. You must lock. Now it is locked. You can see here. This is lock. This is unlock. 1 speed, 2 speed. 1 speed means low speed. 2 speed means high speed. And this is ice crush. So you have to hold it for crushing the ice, or you want to set the texture of the food. So if you want to open this one, just make it upside down. You'll see this. Just twist like this and hold it and take it out. So these are the blades, 4 blades. Here you will fill like coffee, spices, nuts. And if you want to use, just close it anti-clockwise. Okay. Now it's ready for use. Just remove this one here. Skip it here. This side you can see. This is no lock. If it is no lock, it won't work. You must lock it. Now it will work. Clip this one and lock, unlock, save, clip, lock, unlock. Same for the grinder. No lock, it won't work. You must lock. So it is greater. Sticky. The cord can be. There's a storage for the cord. Yes, so you can remove the cap. On the cap, there is measurement 20 ml, 30 ml, and 40 ml. You can fill it like this while using. And this is the lid. You can remove the lid. 4 blades. And if you want to wash,
To clean this one, you must remove this base of a blade by rotating, and this is how you will remove, and you will remove the rubber as well. After cleaning, you can put it back, and this is the mill, which is stainless steel. You can open it as well and clean. So one is for grinding and other one is for grating. And this is a smoothie maker for the BLM91. This is the heavy duty model, which is 500 ml smoothie jar, and also the big jar will be 3 liter. So this is the 3 liter with lid, which is removable lid, and it has 6 blades, and the base is also metal base, so you can keep any side the jar. And mostly this model is used in cafeteria and heavy duty restaurant purpose. So this is the cap and the lid of this BLM91 jar. Sticky
this one also sticks
fits.
very strongly. So from the right side, you can see this model. This is 400 watts, this is 500 watts, and this is 650 watts, and this is 1500 watts. This one, it's a 2-liter capacity of the jar, but working capacity is 1.5. This one also 2-liter jar, working capacity is 1.5 liter. This one is also 2-liter jar and 1.5 liter capacity. This one 3-liter jar, but working capacity is 2 liter. And this one, it has 1 meal and 1 extra jar. So 2 big jars, 1 meal. It has only 1 meal. This one is a plastic mill. This one is also plastic mill. You have to use upside down. And this one, it has 2 stainless steel mills, and it will open from the top. And it doesn't have any mill. It has a smoothie jar, which is 500 ml. And other than this, you can see this is white color, white and orange, white and silver, and this is stainless steel finishing, beautiful body of the blender. And it has two speed. It has also two speed. It has also three speeds, and this one it has six speeds. It has pulse option. It has also pulse option. Even it has a pulse option, and it has also pulse option. Pulse options for setting the texture of the food, and also you can crush the ice. Other than this is sticky feet, and this is also sticky feet, stronger, and this is little sticky feet, and this is a regular jar, regular body. Other than this, it has three preset programs you can see here: Pulse, Ice Crush, and Smart Blend preset programs. It has only one Ice Crush button, and it doesn't have any preset program, those two. And other than this, so you can the big jars, this one, and this one, and this one, you can use for blending like smoothies, milkshake. As you can see, this model is white color, and it is like a basic model for a people of 2 person. You can use for milkshake, smoothie, or if you want to grind spices, nuts, coffee. This is like the basic model from the Kenwood, because it is a 400 watts. If you can afford a little more price, then you can go with this model. This is 500 watts, which can be more stronger than this 500 watts, and it has a mill as well. And this is also you can make in this one milkshake, smoothies, dips, tomato soups, but not hot. And you can use for grinding spices, nuts, fennel seeds, cardamom, anything, whatever you want. You can use this one for grinding. And this one, it has a steel grinders. So the best thing about steel grinders is like for whenever you make a spices, nuts, coffee, after the usage, when you wash, there will be no smell, no color here compared to this one and this one. So there is a grinder, stainless steel grinder for spices, and there is a grater for cheese, nuts, like this. So there is no mill. And there is a smoothie maker here. There is a smoothie maker here for us for little capacity like 500 ml. You can make smoothies, milkshake. But here you can make more quantity of family size in this big jar. So, and this model, as you can see, this is the strongest motor and very heavy duty, the best model. It will look premium in your kitchen, and it's a beautiful stylish design. This one for the big family as well, it's a very good model if you can afford with extra jar. Suppose the extra jar, the reason for the extra jar is in case if the jar is broken or leakage, if there is any leakage under the jar, then you can use the another one. You don't need to buy another jar. So, and this model is like affordable for any person. You can buy this model. I will tell you the prices. For the prices, you can comment, like, and just subscribe, and also comment. I will tell you the prices. So basically, the jars you can see by the measurements, how much quantity you want, you can measure it. The material of the jars are different from each others. As much as you pay, you will get this type of quality. So the prices, if you want, I will tell you in comment section. You can get it. Kenwood is a famous brand. It is a British brand. It is very famous, but it is made in China. But quality wise, it's more durable, well known brand. After sale service is very good. In case if you want to buy any spare part, if it is broken, or you want service for the motor, it's easy to get it from any place. There is 1 year warranty. Under the warranty, I will tell you there is 7 days warranty, which suppose if there is any manufacturer defect, you can go back to the dealer or from the place where you purchased, and you will be getting after 7 days only service warranty. If the motor is not working, then you will get a service. And if anything broken, there is no warranty for the damage. It is very famous, but it is made in China. But quality wise, it's more durable, well known brand.